6 strategies for becoming more accepting of others. When we seek to find true happiness, more often than not, the obstacles to that goal lie within ourselves. Our attitudes become our roadblocks, keeping us from enjoying fully the experiences waiting for us. The biggest culprit? The way we treat those around us. By becoming more accepting of others, we reframe our thoughts as well as our feelings. We learn to let go of negative attitudes and dissatisfaction in our personal interactions and start to enjoy the process of meeting new people. We become happier with this one small change. How do we go about doing that? Start with these 6 strategies. Guard your thoughts. Acceptance begins with the thoughts going through your head. When you look at someone else, what's your first thought? Are you immediately judgmental? It might be time to examine some of these messages and ask yourself where they came from. Are you reflecting what you've been told by parents or the media? Remind yourself, it's up to you to develop your own thought patterns and guide yourself over to more non-judgmental thoughts. Learn to look on the bright side. Seeing only negative in the people around you? Find something positive to focus on instead. Ask yourself what you like about this person. Find their good traits or something to admire. Soon, this will become a habit, leading toward a more positive outlook whenever you meet someone new. Avoid black and white thinking. There are a lot more gray areas in the world than you might think. Rather than insisting there's a definite right and wrong to a situation, take a step back and ask yourself if this truly is the case. You're going to find out not everything is so cut and dried. Drop the perfectionism. Frequently, when we expect a lot from ourselves, we likewise expect a lot from the people around us. Learn to let go of this rigid, perfectionistic thinking. This leads you to more acceptance of others and makes your own life more enjoyable. Live in the moment. When you get caught up in the past, it's hard to see a person where they are now. Maybe they've screwed up in the relationship before or done something else to hurt you. Move on. Accept people for where they are today. Put the shoe on the other foot. How are you judging that other person? Would you like it if someone had that thought about you? If you don't like the answer, it's time to change your thought processes. By employing these strategies, you'll find both your mind and your horizons expand. You'll discover contentment you never knew was possible. Acceptance of others, regardless of their differences, makes life richer and fuller than you ever imagined.